Hello, my name is Jennifer Beckford and I'm founder of a company called Cuisine Supreme, and I specialise in creating unique cakes for all occasions. In fact, I've been baking today, and here's some cakes I've not long taken out of the oven, a banana bread and some rum fruit cakes for Christmas. I just wanted to pop on and tell you about an amazing group that I'm a member of. It's called Evolve to Grow, and it's headed up by V Roberts of Insight to Marketing. V is an award-winning branding and marketing expert, and whilst I've been on the Evolve to Grow group, V has systematically helped my company to grow. She has taught me how to sell more and to actually receive more income. What I love about the group, it's almost like a sisterhood. Whenever you get a win, all the ladies, we congratulate each other, which is wonderful. What I love about V is that she's down to earth. What you see is what you get. And also in the group, we have an Evolve to Grow hub where you can go on and go through modules at your own pace, no rush. If you don't believe me, check out V's reviews.